DJI Air 3 update. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The drone community is abuzz with talk about the DJI Air 3. I do have some updates that I wanted to pass on to you. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Now, the first update is from Igor, who seems to be the new leaker out on Twitter, and it is a picture of the top of the box of the purported DJI Air 3. Also, and let me go ahead and bring that up as well, he also posted this as well to add fuel to the fire. That's it. And evidently, this was from another search out on Google. So again, these are two updates from Igor. Let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and share something else as well. It seems that the DJI Air 2S is on sale. It is now $200 off. The DJI Air 2S is now $799. That's a savings of over $200. The DJI Air 2S Fly More combo is $1,039. That's normally $1,299. Again, a savings of over $200. This is an excellent indication that the DJI Air 3 will be coming very soon when its preceding drone has been is on sale. And then there's another piece of information that I wanted to go ahead and share with you as well. Now, the other night we hosted Rotor Talk Live, and on that this video I put out USA to ban all DJI drones. We did have some discussion about the DJI Air 3 and that it might be coming out sooner in regards to this bill. You will definitely, I'll go ahead and post a link up at the top so you guys can go ahead and check this out. The DJI would come out with the Air 3 sooner rather than later in case this bill would actually become law. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3 update? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.